Hey everyone, my name is John and welcome to the Fuzzy Slipper, where today we'll be showing you how to make the classic rum and coke. Roll that intro. The rum and coke is a classic and simple cocktail that we've all had at some point. For a lot of us, including myself, it was the first drink we ever tried. Here at the Fuzzy Slipper, we've moved on from that juvenile stage and no longer use the weak stuff. We have a flavor profile to get. In today's recipe, we'll be using Zacapa Dark Rum, Mexican Coca-Cola, lime juice, and a lime wedge to garnish. So to start out, you're just gonna grab a nice tall glass, fill it up with ice. Now we'll go ahead and pour 2 ounces of our rum. Today we're using a dark rum from Guatemala called Zacapa 23. Now we're gonna add about a half an ounce of lime juice, which we've already measured out. Next up, we'll fill the glass with Coca-Cola. In this case, we're using Mexican Coca-Cola because it's real cane sugar instead of high-fructose corn syrup. Now you want to take a bar spoon, stir it around a bit so you can make sure that it actually levels out. And to garnish, a lime wheel. Grab your straw of choice. And there you have it, the Fuzzy Slipper's take on the rum and coke. I'm John, make good decisions. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe and hit that bell to be notified when new content is released. Leave a comment down below, let us know how you like your rum and coke, and also what we should tackle next. Lime juice, dark rum, Mexican coke, it's great.